This is my Forex story, and I've titled this video my Forex story, my win and lose experience in Forex over the week, or over the week. Over this past week, today is Saturday, and I'm making this live stream. I want to welcome all of you to my YouTube channel. I've been teaching you how to make money on using Forex trading, and on this channel, I started that of recent, taking it from A to Z, and we are still making progress in the teaching curve. Now, I've told you about my strategy, which I use for news trading and other things, and this strategy have been working for me over the past 100 days, more than 4 months to 6 months now, without fail. Now, I went ahead to break the strategy on Thursday evening, and then there was a loss on my account. So in this video, I want to share with you what happened, how I made some losses, and how I eventually started winning again, and how I was able to win back what I've lost, how I'm able to make profit from what I've lost eventually, and I closed the week with a profit, and I closed all my trade. Now, my strategy was to just trade Euro USD. After many years of trading, I came to settle down and said, I'm going to be trading Euro USD without fail. And I've been trading Euro USD, and then the spread on Euro USD is not much. And then I use 0.01 lot size for trading because of my capital, close about $1,000. So I use a lot size of 0.01 for trading. And what I do is that I look for overbought position, over when Euro USD is overbought, then I look at it, I'm sure it's going to sell. When Euro USD is oversold, I'm sure it's going to buy. So that is the strategy I've been using, and in combination with other strategies that I know. And this overbuying, overselling usually take place after a news event. So in essence, I'm using news trading and also using technical trading and also using sentimental trading. So these experiences have come together so that everything comes together. I look at the support, I look at the resistance, and then I go ahead to trade. Now, this is what I've been doing all this while. But on Thursday, I was listening to somebody on TikTok or on Instagram, and then the person said he trades gold, and then that if you're not trading gold, you are making this, you are doing that, saying all sorts of things. And because of that advice on that individual, I said, okay, this gold, let me even see what is happening. And I look at and analyze the gold, and I place a sell on Thursday around I think around Thursday around 4 or 3 p.m. I placed a sell on gold. Lo and behold, gold started buying. It started buying. Then after it has bought for some time, I enter another trade and I place another sell because I was sure it's going to sell. So I gave myself the target that once it crosses $100 in minus, I'm going to end the trade. I'm going to close the trade. So I was watching, expecting it to reverse. The trade did not reverse. So what I did was, when the trade did not reverse, I want to check this message. This person is saying, Daddy the Trader, hi. Yeah. How are you doing? Lazy colleagues was popping. Yeah. I'm just sharing my experience in trading, in Forex trading over the week. I made a loss, but I was able to recover the loss with some other profit. So I want to share that experience so that I can help somebody. So I placed a sell on gold, and then the size is different from the movement in Euro USD. Even though it was 0.01, but the movement was quite different from Euro USD. So it moved very fast. Any pip is quite the amount of money is going to exact from your capital is different from what it will exact when it is Euro USD. So that was where I was. I was in that trade, and lo and behold, it went until it got to about 112 minus $112. And I've given myself a target that once you get to minus $100, I will end it. You got to minus $112, I close the trade. After I closed the trade, I looked at it. I said, this money, I will have used this money to just withdraw the money and give my wife, because my wife said she want to restock her shop. So I said, if I withdraw this $100 and give her even Nigerian money, it can still buy some things for her shop that she want to restock. So I felt bad that money, now I've lost it in Forex. I now looked at it after some time. I said, this market, I can see signs of sell. So I enter another sell. So after that sell, I was able to recoup $20 out of the $112 I lost on that Thursday. That night, I was able to regain $20. So I closed the trade. I didn't see any other setup. I waited till Friday. On Friday, I went back to gold again. I saw some setup for buy, for sell. I was entering them. I was buying, I was selling, I was scalping. Any opportunity, I will wait until it get to like $20 or $12. Then I close the trade. And this was what I was doing. Sometimes I go to Euro USD, sometimes I go to GPU USD, and I was trading them, buying and selling. By around 5 p.m. on Friday, the loss I made on Thursday in gold, I've recovered it so that my account for the week was balanced. After that, I placed another trade in gold again, and I was able to make about $12, so that I was able to end the week for that week. That loss was a major loss for me, but I was able to recover it, and I was able to end the week with a profit of about $12 for the week. Yeah, the loss is somebody said, I'm sorry for the loss. The loss is the tuition fee we pay for lessons. We will get it back in Jesus' name. Yes, that's what I'm saying. I lost the money, but I got it back. Thank you for that message. I'm checking. I want to see who is sending this message. Lexi, thank you for that message. So after I made that loss on Friday, I recovered the loss. I was able to balance the week again with a profit, and this has given me more confidence in trading. More confidence. If it's before, that loss will just go like that. But this one, I didn't allow it to go because I made up my mind, and with what I've known, I kept keeping on. But I'm happy that I closed the trade, even though the trade eventually now sold. That's gold. But when I say you sell, it bought. So my analysis was not wrong. But when it was going too much at a loss, I had to close it. But eventually, my follow-up trade, I was able to recover everything. Some people said new people into Forex should not trade gold, and because it moves fast, and any little move, it will take a large chunk of your capital. It's different from Euro USD that even though it moves 100 pips, it will do what it will take out of your capital. If you're using a very, very small lot size, it's going to be minimal. But in the case of gold, it is quite different. And that is why we should be very, very careful, and then we should learn from me. Losses are not final. So when you made a loss, cool down, and you make sure you come back into the market, and you are going to get what you have lost. So this is the story of how I lost during the week and how I gained back, and eventually I closed the week with a profit. I'm going to stop here because I want to do another video about this. There's another program, another crypto airdrop that I want to talk about. People have been asking me different questions and updates and thereabouts, and people haven't seen the project is calm. So I want to make a video about that, live stream like this also, and then we can be able to enjoy it together. So I will start that immediately after now. So I'll see you in the next one. Thank you for joining, and please keep coming back for more. Thank you.